Welcome back to EV Insider. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Dodge D100 Vintage Pickup, a bold new blend of retro design and modern muscle. If you've ever wished for a truck that delivers classic style without sacrificing performance or technology, this might just be your dream ride. In this video, we're going deep into the D100's features, performance, comfort, safety, pricing, and more to help you decide if this nostalgic machine deserves a spot in your garage. Let's start with what you see first, the design. The 2026 D100 is unmistakably a tribute to the iconic Dodge pickups of the 1960s and early 70s. From the moment you lay eyes on it, there's no denying it captures that old-school charm. It features a wide, upright grille with bold horizontal chrome bars and circular LED headlights that mimic the look of classic sealed beams. The hood is long and flat with subtle creases that give it muscular definition without overdoing it. The body is clean and square, with slightly flared fenders and straight lines running along the doors and bed, a look that's both rugged and elegant. Even the door handles and side mirrors have been styled to echo their vintage counterparts. Around back, the retro feel continues with one of the standout design elements, the tail lights. Dodge has absolutely nailed this detail. The rear features vertically stacked tail light housings mounted flush into the tailgate corners, framed in polished chrome. These lights are shaped like the classic rectangular lenses from the late 60s D100s, but updated with sleek LED tech that includes dynamic turn signals and bright, quick-responding brake lights. Step inside and the vintage modern blend continues. The cabin is a true standout with a dashboard that blends classic styling with contemporary function. The center stack features a large high-resolution touchscreen running Dodge's latest Uconnect infotainment system. This setup includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated navigation, and voice control. The system is quick, intuitive, and even offers a retro-inspired UI theme that makes it feel right at home in this truck. The instrument cluster combines analog-style dials with a small digital display, giving you accurate readouts without losing that old-school aesthetic. The seating options are equally impressive. Depending on the trim level, you'll find either a full bench or split bench front seat design, upholstered in durable cloth or premium leather with classic stitching patterns and optional contrast piping. The seats are roomy and comfortable, offering plenty of legroom and headroom, even for taller drivers. Interior materials feel solid and well put together, with metal look accents, real wood trim in some models, and retro-style switchgear that's tactile and satisfying to use. Of course, this truck isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. The 2026 D100 offers two compelling powertrain options to suit different driving styles. The base model is equipped with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 turbocharged for added efficiency and output. It produces around 310 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, which is plenty for daily driving, light towing, and highway cruising. But for those who crave a little more rumble under the hood, Dodge also offers a 5.7-liter Hemi V8. This naturally aspirated engine pushes out an estimated 400 horsepower and delivers a deep, classic exhaust note that makes every drive feel like a special occasion. In terms of safety, Dodge hasn't cut any corners. The D100 comes standard with a wide array of advanced driver assistance systems, which means you can enjoy the vintage look without sacrificing peace of mind. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking helps you avoid frontal crashes, while lane departure warning and lane keep assist make highway driving safer and less stressful. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are especially helpful in tight spaces, and available adaptive cruise control adds convenience for long-distance trips. A 360-degree camera, rear parking sensors, and trailer sway control all come standard on mid and upper trims, making parking and towing easier and safer than ever. Dodge has also included a rear seat reminder system, which is great for families, and all models come with a reinforced safety cage and advanced airbag coverage. Of course, value matters too, and the D100 holds its own in that department. The base model starts at around $38,495, putting it squarely in the range of other midsize and lifestyle trucks. But unlike many of those, the D100 delivers a unique character and design that others simply can't match. Step up to the RT trim with the Hemi V8, premium audio, full tech suite, and all-wheel drive, and you're looking at a price tag closer to $49,995. Loaded up with all the options, including two-tone paint, leather interior, adaptive suspension, and towing package, it tops out just above $55,000. That's still well below many full-size trucks with comparable power and far less personality. Dodge is also offering 3 years of complimentary maintenance and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty to sweeten the deal. When it comes down to it, the 2026 Dodge D100 is more than just a truck. It's a rolling tribute to the golden age of American pickups built for the modern world. It has the looks, it has the power, it has the comfort and the tech. But more than that, it has soul, something many trucks on today's market seem to have forgotten. Whether you're a longtime fan of classic trucks or someone looking for something different in a sea of look-alike pickups, the D100 stands apart. It's a truck that brings back memories for some, creates new ones for others, and turns heads no matter what. What really sets the 2026 Dodge D100 apart is how it embraces customization and personalization. Every driver can make this truck their own thanks to a wide array of factory options and accessories. From the choice of paint schemes, including classic two-tone finishes, to interior upgrades like premium leather and advanced tech packages, the D100 offers flexibility that appeals to both purists and modern enthusiasts. The adaptive suspension and towing packages mean it's just as capable on rough terrain or heavy hauls as it is turning heads downtown. Plus, the available all-wheel drive system gives added confidence in varying road conditions, making it a versatile choice for any lifestyle. This level of customization makes owning a D100 feel less like buying a truck and more like crafting a statement about who you are and how you want to drive. In the bigger picture, the 2026 Dodge D100 represents more than just a nostalgic revival. It's a nod to the future of pickup trucks, blending rugged heritage with cutting-edge technology and comfort. This model shows that you don't have to sacrifice style for function or power for efficiency. It manages to strike a rare balance that appeals across generations. Whether you grew up admiring classic pickups or you're discovering their appeal for the first time, the D100 delivers a compelling package that feels both familiar and fresh. The way Dodge has integrated modern safety features, infotainment, and performance enhancements without diluting the retro charm proves that great design and innovation can go hand in hand. The D100 isn't just a truck, it's a new icon in the making. The 2026 Dodge D100 isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience that connects the past with the present in a way few trucks can match. Its design philosophy respects the heritage of classic American pickups while embracing modern innovation and comfort. Whether you're hauling gear to the job site or cruising down the highway, this truck delivers a balanced mix of style, capability, and technology that keeps you confident and comfortable. The attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the precision fit of the body panels to the quality of the materials inside the cabin. Dodge has created a truck that feels both timeless and relevant, offering drivers a unique way to stand out in a crowded market. This combination of nostalgia and forward-thinking engineering makes the D100 an attractive option for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike who want their vehicle to do more than just get from point A to point B. The driving experience of the 2026 Dodge D100 is designed to impress on every level. From the moment you sit behind the wheel, you notice how well the controls are laid out and how responsive the powertrain feels. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling open highways, the truck's suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and control. The V6 offers smooth, efficient performance, perfect for daily driving, while the Hemi V8 delivers that unmistakable power and growl that enthusiasts crave. Advanced technology like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist help reduce fatigue on long trips, while the premium audio system keeps the cabin lively and engaging. The overall feeling is one of confidence and enjoyment, making the D100 not just a practical choice, but a truck you actually want to drive every day. Looking ahead, the 2026 Dodge D100 sets a new standard for what a vintage-inspired pickup can be. It captures the spirit of classic American trucks while incorporating the features and refinements drivers expect today. It's a celebration of craftsmanship and personality in a segment that often feels dominated by blandness and sameness. Dodge has managed to create a truck that feels both special without being gimmicky or impractical.